I've been trying to find the words to explain it lately. It's been some kind of beginning. I started shooting film over 20 years ago and never really stopped. But recently my film cameras felt like they opened my eyes to really seeing things for the first time. These local neighbourhood streets that could feel average have felt electric. Like slowing down and paying attention has opened up the whole world to me. The birds put on a show every evening. Lights in windows and open doors, an invitation to imagine dinnertime scenes. The cat that has chosen a self-proclaimed dogman's front porch as home. The sign with the broken letter on the apartment block at the end of our street. I've photographed it over and over. Today the wattle has decided spring has come early. The magnolias are singing to the sky for its winter sun. It feels like the wildflowers are waving hello. Even the weeds stand proud from the sidewalk cracks as if to say, look at us, we can grow anywhere. From nothing. I used to be scared of these birds because they'll swoop to protect their nests. But on a day where I was shooting black and white for the first time, 3 of them in a line as I turned the corner felt like a message. Perspective can always shift. 23 moments of magic on a nothing day. I can enter the world anytime. When it's for myself, I'm taking pictures. We can grow anywhere.